Hey, welcome to the new video. In this video, I will show you how to get help from other sellers using the Amazon seller forums. Let's get started. First, open this website, which is the homepage featuring discussions started by sellers. You can filter discussions to view the most recent ones. You can also browse by category. For example, these discussions are under the account setup category. Here's an example of a discussion. You can see the seller's issue followed by replies from other sellers and Amazon seller support. You can also search for specific questions here. If you want to start a new discussion, follow these steps. Click here, then write a title, describe your problem, select the category, and choose relevant tags. Once you are ready, click Post to Forums to publish your post. Thank you for watching.